Are you tired of manually forwarding each message on WhatsApp Web on your PC? Well, I have good news for you. With the new update, you can now forward multiple messages with just a few simple steps. Let me walk you through it. First, open your WhatsApp account on your PC. Next, find the chat that contains the messages you want to forward. Now, right-click on one of the messages that you want to forward. A menu will pop up, and you should click on the Forward option. Once you've done that, select all the messages you want to forward. You can do this by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each message. After selecting all the messages, click on the Forward icon. Now choose the chat where you want to forward the messages. You can select an individual contact or a group chat. Once you've made your selection, click on the Send button, and there you have it. You have successfully forwarded multiple messages on WhatsApp Web on your PC. This new feature will save you time and make it easier to share important information with your contacts. Give it a try today.